Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, ladies and gentlemen, the Honorable Lecturer Miss Dia, and all of my beloved friends. First, let us thanks to Allah Subhanahu wa Taala because His blessing we are to able to come here to join in this English opportunity. Ladies and gentlemen, in this opportunity, we would like to present about cardinal number, and telephony. But now, let me introduce myself and my partner. I am Liliana Sari Indrayana, and my partner, Angel Agustin Darmawan, Rahmanurani Sajahra, Jalvana Divah, and Muhammad Jidan Kusridana. We are from Group C class Akuntansi C1. For the first material will be explained by Angel. To Angel, this is your time.
Okay, thank you, Lily. So the first material is cardinal number, will be delivered by me. Number or numbering in English is divided into two parts, namely the cardinal number and the ordinal number. Although both are included in numbers, their meaning and use are different. Number in English is also the most basic material because we will always find numbers anywhere and anytime. Cardinal numbers are numbers or numbering that states how many, stating the number or quantity of objects, people, animals, or of an object, for example, 1, 2, 3, and so on. Cardinal numbers are used to indicate the number and are usually used to answer the question how many. One thing to keep in mind is that cardinal numbers are always whole 1, 2, 3, and anything else, and not fractions or numbers other than whole number. The use of cardinal numbers cannot be abbreviated like the use of ordinal numbers, namely 1 plus st for first, 2 plus nd for second, 3 plus rd for third, 4 plus th for fourth, and so on. Jadi cardinal number ini merupakan nomor yang digunakan untuk menyatakan banyaknya jumlah suatu benda atau manusia ataupun apapun, dan merupakan bilangan bulat, bukan bilangan pecahan maupun bilangan yang lainnya. The example of cardinal number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 20, 40, 60, 100, 1000, 1 million, 1 billion, and anything else. Example sentences of cardinal number. First, I got 3 million rupiahs a month. Second, Tali has 2 laptops. Third, there are 3 chairs in the room. Fourth, 15 children play ball together. Fifth, I have 3 apples. Sixth, they are 10 bucks in the rice field. Example sentences of cardinal number that expressing the time. Each is asking to why. Are we going to Solo tomorrow? Why said, yes, we are. Each is asking again, what time we go? Why said 7 a.m. Don't be late. Example sentences of cardinal number that expressing the quantity of objects. A said, I heard that you have a lot of cats. B, yes, I have five cats in my house, but one of them is sick. They said, can I ask you one of them for me to take care? They said, sure, I'll give it to you tomorrow. Then I said again, okay, I'll come to your house tomorrow to take care. So the conclusion is when talking about the quantity of something, the cardinal number is used. But when it comes to position, the ordinal number is used. Enough for me, I'll return to the moderator. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Angel. Secondly, I will explain about ordinal number. Next. Ordinal number is number that refers to a level, order, rank, stage, or indicates the position of something in a list of things. Usually, ordinal number are used in sentences that express the date, the order of progress to an event, the order of winners in a competition, and so on. The formula for remembering ordinal number is ordinal number what other things are in. Then, what if the cardinal and ordinal number are both in one sentence? If in this case, then the ordinal number must always be in the front because it indicates the order. Here's an example. The second 3 innings were quite dull. The first 2 operations were the most difficult to watch. Ordinal numbers are also usually used in a producer or instruction text that are loaded with words such as first, second, last, and so on. In this case, the ordinal number is useful for reminding the order of the step or sequence that need to be done. Next. Here example ordinal number. Ordinal number, a number defining the position of something in a series such as first, second, third, fourth, fifth, or ordinal number are used as adjective, noun, and pronouns. Next. Here example for ordinal number. First, to declare order. A, my parents are going out. Can you come to my house to accompany me? B, don't you have a brother or sister? A, I do. I am the second child of 3 siblings, but they are not in the house too. 2, to declare rating. A, did you watch the badminton match last night? B, yes, I did. The players were Gracia Poli and Apriani Rahayu. A, did they win the game? B, of course, they are the first winner in Tokyo Olympic 2020. Third, to show order. A, I heard your birthday in early September. What date is it? B, the 2nd of September. A, wah, it is 3 days ago. Happy birthday. B, thank you. Okay, thirdly will be explained by Zalfa, Jidan, and Rahma. For you guys, this is your time.
Okay, thanks Lily. The next material is social function. Telephoning can keep the good social relationship in workplace by asking and sending spoken message. Telephone in general is communication tools used to convey voice messages which are generally in the form of conversation. Telephones make use of the transmission of electrical signal in a network that allows its user to communicate with other users. In the past, the telephone could only be operated using a cable. Phones were created to provide the following benefit and function. The first thing, as a means to communicate as well as provide information. Second, facilitate the interaction process between office through the extension feature. Third, facilitate the exchange of information and communication to be faster and more efficient, and others. Next material by Zalfa.
Thank you. To the next material is procedure of telephoning. In telephoning conversation, it's necessary to pay attention to the general courtesy of the caller. Some of the procedure for making a good telephone call are: first thing we have to do is to speak clearly. Obviously, here is good in terms of pronunciation and the volume of the sound we emit. So it must be ensured that what we say well. In addition, give full attention to the caller. Be polite and responsive to the caller. The next point is learn how to use the point feature well and smoothly. Don't forget to ask permission before you let the caller wait. Don't forget active caller waiting for you. Ask if he wants to continue waiting, call back or leave a message. The next is connect the caller to someone else who can help if you cannot help him. Don't forget to make a note of the message if allowed. Don't forget to thank the caller. So the essence of the above procedure, of course, we must be polite, clearly, and put the caller in an important position and don't ignore it. I think enough for me, and for the next materials will be by Jidan.
Thank you, Jalpa. Here Here I will give example of expression sentence in telephone conversation. Di sini saya akan memberikan contoh kalimat ekspresi dalam percakapan telepon. The first intention when you are the caller. Hello, is that Kevin? Can I speak to Kevin? May I speak to Kevin? Di contoh pertama ini memberikan contoh bila Anda itu seorang penelpon. The second example is when you receive a call. This is Kevin speaking. Who that? Who's speaking, please? Who is calling, please? Contoh kedua ini menjelaskan bila Anda adalah penerima telepon. The third example when you ask the caller to wait. One moment, please. Just a minute, please. Hold on, please. Hang on, please. Contoh ketiga ini menjelaskan ketika Anda meminta penelpon untuk menunggu. The fourth example when you ask the caller to leave a message. Can you leave the message? Can I take your message? Would you like to leave a message? Would you like him to call you back? Contoh keempat ini menjelaskan ketika Anda meminta penelpon untuk meninggalkan pesan. Selanjutnya, dialog akan dibacakan oleh saya dan Rahma. Next. Di sini saya sebagai James dan Rahma sebagai operator.
Hello, good morning. This is Nico Hotel. How may I help you?
Hello, good morning. I'm James. I want to make a reservation.
Okay, Mr. James, what type of room do you want?
A room with single bed, please.
Okay, a room 8, single bed. I'm sorry, Mr. James. Sea view or garden view?
One with a sea view, please.
Okay, Mr. James, your reservation is a room with single bed and sea view.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Next material by me and Zalfa. Receptionist by me, Sally by Zalfa. Hello, good afternoon. This is Sandra, wedding organizer. How can I help you?
Good afternoon, I'm Sally. Could I speak to Mr. Albert, please?
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm afraid she is not in her office.
Do you know when she'll back?
I have no idea. I will call back later. Would you like to leave a message?
No, thanks.
Thank you. Okay, thanks. I will return to the moderator.
Okay, thank you, Jalfa, Jidan, and Rahma. Well, thank you for your kind attention and thank you for listening. All those we have shared will be beneficial for all of us. Thank you.